Muzaffar Jung was the son of Asaf Jah's daughter, Muzaffar Jung. Then what actually happened? When this thing was going on, Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung began to fight each other. Both of them began to demand that they are in need of Hyderabad throne. THROE. Both of them are in need of Hyderabad throne. That was the condition. So succession war took place in the land of Hyderabad. What I told you, Hyderabad now is the capital of which place? Now Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Asaf Jah, who was the governor of Hyderabad, died in the year 1748 period. He died. After him, succession war took place in the land of Hyderabad. Succession war took place in the land of Hyderabad. His son was Nasir Jung. Nasir Jung was the real ruler of Hyderabad. He was the real heir, H-A-I-R, H-E-I-R, heir, follower. Nasir Jung was the real follower of Asaf Jah, Nasir Jung. Then, his Asaf Jah's daughter's son was known as Muzaffar Jung. He was a daughter's son of whom? He was the daughter's son of Muzaffar. He was the daughter's son of Asaf Jah. Muzaffar Jung was the daughter's son of Asaf Jah. Muzaffar Jung demanded that, what he demanded? Muzaffar Jung demanded that he should be the next ruler of Hyderabad. So, war took place between whom? War took place between Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung. See, another thing also we have to learn now. Carnatic area. Carnatic area. What is the meaning of Carnatic area? That we have to think. Then, in Carnatic also, succession war was going on. Chanda Sahib. Chanda Sahib and Anwaruddin, they were fighting for the throne of which one? They were fighting for the throne of Carnatic. They were fighting in order to become the ruler of Carnatic area. Then, during 1749 period, what happened? That we have to think. During 1749 period, Anwaruddin was killed. Anwaruddin was killed by French people. Anwaruddin was killed by French people. Anwaruddin. And what happened? Chanda Sahib became the ruler of Carnatic. Chanda Sahib became the ruler of Karnataka. Chanda Sahib. With the French help, or with the help of the French people, what happened? With the French help, or with the help of the French people, Chanda Sahib became the ruler of Karnataka. And Anwaruddin was killed during this time that I told. Anwaruddin was killed during this particular period or time. Anwaruddin was punished, or Anwaruddin was killed during this particular time. Then what happened again? During this period, what happened? Muhammad Ali was there. Muhammad Ali was a son of Anwaruddin. Muhammad Ali escaped to Trichinopoly. Muhammad Ali escaped to Trichinopoly. Muhammad Ali escaped and went to Trichinopoly. There he was living under the British help. Muhammad Ali was living under the British help. Muhammad Ali lived under the British help in the land of Trichinopoly. Then Muzaffar Jung, up to here we learn, see what I told you. We have to learn about Carnatic area. What was there in Carnatic area that we have to think. What was there in Carnatic area? What happened in Carnatic area? Just like in Hyderabad, what happened? Just like in Hyderabad area, what happened? Just like in Hyderabad area, in Carnatic area also what was there? Succession war was there. Succession war took place between Chanda Sahib and Anwaruddin. Chanda Sahib and Anwaruddin began to fight. Chanda Sahib and Anwaruddin began to fight. During 1749 period, what happened? Anwaruddin was killed by French people. French people supported Chanda Sahib. Anwaruddin was killed by French people. Chanda Sahib became the ruler of Karnataka. What we have learned now? What actually we have learned? Succession war took place between whom? Succession war took place between Chanda Sahib and Anwaruddin. French people supported Chanda Sahib. English people supported Anwaruddin. But during this time, French people were very powerful. French people and Chanda Sahib killed who? French people and Chanda Sahib killed Anwaruddin. Chanda Sahib became the ruler of which one? Karnataka. And Anwaruddin was killed by French people. Anwaruddin had a son. Anwaruddin had one son. Out of fear, what happened? Out of fear. Fear means anjike, bhaya. Anwaruddin's son Muhammad Ali escaped to which place? Trichinopoly. There he was living under the British help. Dear children, up to here you are able to follow, I think. Succession war was there. Succession war was there in the land of where? Succession war was there in the land of Carnatic. Succession war was there in the land of Carnatic. Then what happened? Succession war was between Chanda Sahib and Anwaruddin. It was between Chanda Sahib and Anwaruddin that succession war took place. Succession war. Then what happened? During 1749 period, Anwaruddin was killed by French people. And French people helped Chanda Sahib also to kill Anwaruddin. Then Chanda Sahib became the Nawab of Carnatic with whose help? With the help of French people. This Anwaruddin had one son. Anwaruddin's son was known as Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali was the son of Anwaruddin. Out of fear, Anjike Muhammad Ali escaped to Tiruchirappalli. There he was living with the help of British people. Duplex. We have learned about duplex. Duplex was the French viceroy. French viceroy was known by what name? Duplex. Last day I had told you about Duplex. During the time of Duplex, what happened? During the days or during the time of Duplex, French kingdom in the land of India became very powerful. French kingdom in the land of India was very powerful during the time of Duplex. French power or French kingdom in the land of India was very powerful. Duplex was a powerful commander. Duplex was a powerful ruler, and he was a very powerful commander also, Duplex. Then what happened? Duplex attacked and defeated other European people. Duplex attacked and defeated other European powers. Duplex. He made or Duplex maintained a very good navy and army of his own. Duplex made or Duplex maintained a very good army and navy of his own. Who maintained? Duplex. Duplex maintained a very good army and navy of his own. Duplex. Because an army and navy, Duplex defeated other European powers. During the time of Duplex, French kingdom in India became very wide. So, Duplex was ruling over the land of India as the French viceroy. Then what happened? As the French viceroy. And Pondicherry was the capital. During the time of Duplex, during the time of or during the days of Duplex, Pondicherry or Puducherry was the capital of the British people, capital of the French people in India. Pondicherry, Puducherry. This was the capital of French people in India. And what happened? Pondicherry became a well-developed area during the time of Duplex. By concentrating in Pondicherry, what happened? by concentrating in Pondicherry. By concentrating in Pondicherry, what happened? By concentrating in Pondicherry, Duplex began to attack other rulers of India, other European powers of India. That was the real condition. Then Madras was an important during this time. During this particular time, Madras was an important center of British people in India. For the administrative convenience, what happened? For administrative convenience, British people have divided India into 3 areas: Bombay, Madras and Calcutta or Bengal. And in Madras, what they had? In Madras, they had a very famous fort. St. George Fort was there in the land of Madras. In the land of Madras, St. George Fort was there. St. George Fort. St. George Fort was there in the land of Madras during this time. St. George Fort was there. Then what happened? By concentrating in St. George Fort, Britishers began to rule over Madras area. British people began to rule over Madras area. Then Duplex decided to attack and conquer which one? Duplex decided to attack and conquer Madras area. Then Labordanis. Labordanis was there in Mauritius. He was a French commander. Labordanis was a French commander. Labordanis was a French commander. Duplex invited Labordanis to the land of India to attack Madras area. In order to attack Madras area, Duplex invited Labordanis also to India. Labordanis came to Madras. Labordanis. He attacked and conquered which one? He attacked and conquered Madras area. Who? Labordanis attacked and conquered Madras area. Labordanis attacked and conquered Madras area. Then Madras was under the custody of British people. British people got fear. Britishers or British people got fear during this particular time. Fear. They got fear. When they got fear, actually what happened? When they got fear, they asked the help of Anwaruddin. They asked the help of Anwaruddin, who was the Carnatic Nawab. Anwaruddin and British people tried to recapture Madras from Labordanis, but they failed. Finally, British people used another technique. They gave bribe, lynching. What did they do? They gave bribe or Lencha to whom? To La Bourdanis, British people gave. And La Bourdanis went back to Mauritius. Dupleix became very angry. He did not expect this kind of a cheating, this kind of a cheating from whom? La Bourdanis. He attacked Madras area. But he failed because Dupleix alone was not able to attack and conquer Madras area. Dupleix alone was not able to attack and conquer Madras area. Then what happened? Finally, an agreement was made between whom? British people and the French people. Then was known as that agreement was known as Aix-la-Chapelle. According to Aix-la-Chapelle agreement, what happened? According to Aix-la-Chapelle agreement, first Carnatic War came to an end. British people, what happened? British people were not able to achieve anything during the time of first Carnatic War. But first Carnatic War was a victory for whom? First Carnatic War was a victory for French people. It was a correct war. It was a real victory for the French people. Once more I will tell you children, listen here. Then Dupleix, during the time of first Carnatic War, Dupleix was there. He was a French viceroy of India. During his time, Pondicherry or Puducherry was the administrative center of the French people. Madras was under the custody of the French people. Madras was under the custody of the French people during this time. Madras. It was under the custody of the French people and English people. Madras was under the custody of the English people. Dupleix invited another French commander, La Bourdanis, from where? From Mauritius. La Bourdanis attacked and conquered Madras. During this time, British people asked the help of Anwaruddin. British people asked the help of Anwaruddin, who was the Carnatic Nawab. But Anwaruddin and British people were not able to defeat whom? Anwaruddin and British people were not able to defeat La Bourdanis or French people. At last, British people used another technique. Britishers gave lencha or bribe to La Bourdanis. After receiving the lencha or bribe, what happened? After receiving the lencha or bribe, La Bourdanis went back to Mauritius. Then Dupleix became really angry. Then what happened? Dupleix during this time became very angry. Then Dupleix attacked Madras, but he was not successful. So at last, British people and French people made one agreement. That agreement was known as Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Aix-la-Chapelle agreement. According to Aix-la-Chapelle agreement, Madras was given back to whom? According to Aix-la-Chapelle agreement, Madras was given back to British people by the French people. So, during the time of First Carnatic War, British people actually did not succeed in any case. British people really failed. Who actually succeeded? French people. Dear children, I think you are able to follow today's video. Thank you.